Hey guys, Matt from Makita here. Today I'm going to take you through our new 18V/2 lawnmowers, DLM382 and DLM432. The DLM382 and 432 replace the discontinued DLM380 and 431. The DLM382 features a 380mm max cutting width, whilst the DLM432 features a 430mm max cutting width. Both mowers are powered by Makita's LXT 18V/2 technology and feature a convenient battery warning lamp which sits in the user's eye line, telling the user when the batteries are low and about to run out. Both mowers feature a bar blade cutting system with the ability to collect the clippings into either a 40-litre or 50-litre catcher. These mowers also have mulching capabilities with the newly added mulching plug available as an optional accessory. Both the DLM382 and DLM432 now have the same cutting range and adjustment heights, featuring a 13-stage height adjustment which ranges from 20 to 75 mils, which is an increase on the 6-stage height adjustment which featured on the DLM380. The DLM382 weighs 17 kilograms with two 6-amp-hour batteries, whilst the DLM432 weighs 17.5 kilograms, making them easy to manoeuvre around any lawn. They have a recommended mowing area of 560 and 575 square metres respectively on two 6-amp-hour batteries, making these lawn mowers perfect for small to medium-sized lawns. So these are our new 18V/2 lawn mowers, DLM382 and DLM432. For more information, head to our website.